Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix all apps keep stopping on Android phone. You should just follow me step by step because there are 4 methods. The first method, you will go to settings. Here in this page you will go down, you will find apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you can choose or select any app you want. For example, I will choose Instagram. We click here. Then in this page you will go to storage. Here you can click on clear cache, and then you can click on clear data, but be attention that can delete all your data or can cause you errors, but instead it will delete your data as you see. So this is first step. The second step, you will return again to apps like this. Here in this page you will go to this 3 points on above like this, and here in this list you will click on reset app preferences, and then you will click on reset to fix that problem. The third method, here in this page of apps, you can choose any app that you want to fix your problem of keep stopping. For example, I will choose the app of Chrome or Google Chrome. Here in this page, as you see, of app info, you will find these 3 points, and you can click here and install updates as you see, and then you can click OK. Here you will find to replace this app with the factory version, all data will be removed, and then you can click on OK to uninstall updates on your app of Google Chrome, for example. Also there is the fourth method, you will go to Play Store. You will go to above to this sign. Here you will find manage apps and device. Here in this list you will find updates available, and here in this list you can choose this app, all these apps that you want to update. For example, I will go to Instagram. You will find updates here, and you can click to update your app. So that's it. That's how can you fix your problem of all apps keep stopping on Android phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.